Hey, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the preview of my merch. So first of all, I did a sketch of my M symbol, M logo for my MacDaddyPimpping channel. So first of all, this is number one design that I drew. And this is number two, number three. And I just mess around with this. And actually I like the number two design, so I picked that one up. And this is some of the MacDaddyPimpping that I kind of sketch a little bit. So I'm trying to do like a 3D letterings, MacDaddyPimpping, or and this is some of the design that I try to got like different ideas on my head, so I'm still thinking about those font, which font I want to go with. So some of the design are still in process, and I drew this one. I'm probably going to pick this one because that one has my M symbol or logo right there. So after I pick up this logo or symbol, then I drew it on the graphing paper, and this is what I came up with. All right, so now I cut it off already. I'm trying to do my own custom embroidery on one of the hoodie that I got from H&M for $7, and I'm going to do a sample on that. It is a beige color, so I'm going to put like a black embroidery threading on there. I already bought some of the hoop needles and different colorful threading. So let me go grab it and show you guys real quick. Also, the first one we got it from Joanne Fabric and Craft store. And this was some of the thread that my son picked up. He was trying to do his own. And this is the needle that I'm going to be using. Embroidery, okay. So there's so many needles came with the whole package. And this one I got it from Michael's. One of these packs costs about $4.19, and this one has 36 different colors. So I'll be using the black one. And some of them I got this colorful, this called the embroidery floss. Then I got this one neon green, neon yellow, neon pink, purple. And this one's kind of like a little bit darker color. And this is the other blue color and white. So this is the hoop. Normally you gotta put through this hoop to make it straight, but don't try to overstretch it. And this one is to make it tighter. So I watched some of the tutorials, so hopefully I could raise it up instead of just a flat embroidery that look kind of boring. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know and keep you guys updated. All right. I'm still determined where to put the logo, either on the front of the hoodie. I'm not sure it's on the middle or on the left. So I'm still deciding. Anyway, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please drop the comments on below. See which design I should go with, because there's so many ideas. I'm still working on it, and I'm trying to use this logo and to test it out. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. You too. So this is my beige hoodie with the pouch pocket. So I'm trying to determine either to put on the left hand side of the chest area or in the middle section right here. And I'm going to do the embroidery on there and put the loop on top of it. I mean, yeah. And then so the fabric could be stretched evenly, and then when I do the embroidery, it'd be easier for me to going back and forth. So we can keep you guys updated. Wow, that round circle and the M looks pretty nice. Maybe I should do the circle too. Alright, so we decided to put out the left of the chest. So now I'm trying to see if I could trace it on the fabric with the number 2 pencil. So I finally inserted with my saliva. So I'm gonna loop it. It is pretty long, so I need to double knot it. Might be too long. Alright, so I'm gonna use probably about this length, and I'm gonna cut it and then knot it, because it was too long. See how it goes. I'm gonna go from the inside because the knot has been inside. You do. So this is just an outline right now. I know it looks kind of messy, but I'm gonna put more threading in here, and then what's it? Cross threading like this and like that. I gotta figure out how to do on this section though. But anyway, so far this is what I got. So I just had to spend more time. All right.